One of the coolest things about PDK is the fact that you can integrate your access control with a bunch of other awesome security solutions. Through integrations, you can tie in tools like video management, video intercoms, incident management, visitor management, reservation management, and more. By opening up the integrations page in PDK.io, you'll be able to see all of the integrations currently available to you. We encourage you to take a look around and really become familiar with all of the powerful tools and systems that you can incorporate into your existing access control system. If you want to figure out which integration is right for you, we recommend reaching out to your dealer. They'll be able to give you more information and help you configure the integration when the time comes. Integrations are the key tool that can help you create a well-rounded, turnkey security system. That's why PDK loves them. ProdataKey is easy to use anytime, anywhere, and on any device. Watch the next video in this series for more how-to instructions.